Turn your ideas into masterpieces with EdrawMind by Wondershare. Create AI-powered mind maps in just one click. Upload files to let AI extract key points. Expand ideas with AI-powered creativity and instantly translate mind maps into any language. When it's time to present, transform your mind maps into stunning PowerPoint slides in seconds. EdrawMind, where your ideas come to life. Start creating today. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, let's access the official site of the EdrawMind. In order to do so, just input the official link. This link is provided in the video description as well. It is developed by Wondershare, is a collaborative ability designed for mind mapping, brainstorming, and outlining. Accessible both online for free and as a downloadable application, it supports multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Packed with features that expedite work processes, EdrawMind offers AI-powered abilities for presentation generation, summarization, and more. It also enables seamless team collaboration, making it perfect for group projects and remote brainstorming. With access to over 15,000 templates, users can create a wide variety of diagrams and mind maps tailored to different purposes. To get started, users can download EdrawMind and explore its intuitive and user-friendly interface, designed to make mind mapping accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Once installed, users can dive right in by creating their first mind map. The process is straightforward. Simply input your area of interest or topic, and the AI-powered ability will automatically generate a comprehensive mind map, complete with all relevant information, subtopics, and connections. This feature saves time and ensures that users have a solid foundation to build upon. EdrawMind also offers a wide range of customization options, allowing users to tailor their mind maps to suit their specific needs and preferences. Users can modify layouts to better organize their ideas, choose from a variety of themes to enhance visual appeal, and adjust colors to create a more personalized and engaging design. Additionally, the platform supports multilingual functionality, enabling users to translate their mind maps into different languages with ease, making it an excellent ability for global collaboration and communication. For instance, selecting the translation feature allows users to seamlessly convert an English mind map into German, French, Spanish, or any other supported language. This makes EdrawMind a versatile solution for multilingual projects. Whether you're working with international teams, creating educational materials for diverse audiences, or preparing presentations for a global audience. EdrawMind's AI features take mind mapping to the next level by automatically expanding mind maps with relevant subtopics, questions, or ideas. This intelligent assistance helps users brainstorm more effectively, ensuring that no important detail is overlooked. Whether you're exploring a complex topic, planning a project, or organizing your thoughts, the AI provides suggestions that inspire creativity and enhance the depth of your mind map. A standout feature of EdrawMind is its ability to effortlessly convert mind maps into stunning, professional-grade presentations with just a few clicks. This feature streamlines the process of turning ideas into shareable, visually appealing slides, saving users valuable time and effort. Users can simply select a presentation template that suits their needs and let the platform do the rest. Once the presentation is generated, it can be further refined to align with the user's specific requirements, ensuring a polished and professional result. The final presentation can then be exported in formats compatible with popular abilities like PowerPoint, making it ideal for business meetings, academic lectures, or creative pitches. This ability transforms EdrawMind into a powerful ability not just for brainstorming and planning, but also for delivering impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression. Additionally, EdrawMind allows users to create stunning presentations using a single prompt. For example, if we want to create a PowerPoint presentation on the effects of AI in education, we simply enter the prompt into the application. EdrawMind will then generate a comprehensive outline for the presentation, which can be edited and customized as needed. Once the outline is finalized, users can select a template that suits their preferences. With just a single click, the application will create a fully designed PowerPoint presentation. The result is an AI-generated presentation that is professional, well-structured, and ready to use, all created effortlessly from a single prompt. EdrawMind also offers a powerful file analysis feature, enabling users to upload documents in formats such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or PDF, and seamlessly convert them into mind maps. This feature is particularly valuable for summarizing lengthy academic papers, research articles, business reports, or other complex documents, breaking them down into clear, concise, and visually organized mind maps. By extracting key points, headings, and subtopics from the uploaded files, EdrawMind simplifies the process of understanding and presenting dense information. This not only saves time, but also enhances comprehension, making it easier for users to identify critical insights and connections. The platform supports team collaboration with an infinite canvas and unlimited nodes, enabling users to work on in-depth topics without restrictions. This sets it apart from competitors like EdrawMind, which imposes limitations on nodes and features. With its extensive template library, AI-powered abilities, and robust collaboration capabilities, EdrawMind is a versatile ability for students, professionals, and educators. Try EdrawMind. The link is provided in the description as well as in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this comprehensive video on EdrawMind. If so, don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more AI-related educational content. See you in the next video. Bye.